One out here, put you in.
22 out here.
22, 3, 2300, 2300, old buddy, 2300, 2300, get right, 22, 23, I'm gonna sell it down that way, 2200, out 2 and a quarter, hit 2, 25, 2 and a quarter, quarter, 25, 200 and a quarter, 25, what are you gonna do now, 200 and a quarter, hit 200 and a quarter, 25 and a half, 2 and a half, 275, 275, 275, 275, now 3, and now 300, now 300,
75, 375, here's line number 275, boys.
Personal truck.
He said, man's personal truck has, and I promise you, it's a boy dog. I'll have 50,000.
In Eatonton, Georgia, 100 Friendship Road. Hey, if you need more information, give me a call, Stephen Watson, at 478-288-2072. And I'd like to remind you, we have online bidding available. If you can't make it out, you can bid online via proxy bid or equipment fax, or you can check us out at our link at rebelauction.net. Come see us. Many items, these machines and these trucks are fantastic, clean items. Gonna make you money, they're hard to find. Come be with us. Can't wait to meet you and to see you. And remember, if you'd like to have an auction of your very own, come talk to us. Give me a call, Stephen Watson, 478-288-2072. Thank you.